Welcome back to yet another topic of virtual learning. Hope the ones I have sent earlier were useful to you in learning. Today we are going to touch upon grammar portion and we are going to pick up pronouns, and while discussing this topic we will basically try and achieve the following objectives. The first objective is to understand what a pronoun is. The second one is to identify the types of pronouns, and the third one is to use these pronouns correctly. Let us see how well we can achieve these objectives. Let us look into the second slide. What is pronoun? Pronouns are nothing but words that replaces nouns. Pronouns are used to avoid the repetition of nouns again and again. These are some examples of personal pronoun. You can see a boy and a girl in the picture, and look at the pronoun used under the picture: she, her, he, him. When there are more than one, like in the second picture, pronoun they is used. If it is a single thing like the cycle, we use it, it. Having said the above, we are going to discuss three forms of pronouns, and they are personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, and reflexive pronoun. We will discuss these different forms of pronoun in the next slides. Now let us look at what personal pronoun is. As mentioned above, personal pronoun refers to specific person or a thing. The examples are explained in the table in the slide in 3 columns. The first column denotes singular or plural. It means a single person or a group. The second and third column are subject and object. You may ask, what is subject and an object? Subject means the person who is doing the action, and the object is to whom the action is being done. The examples provided here in singular form are I, you, he, she under the subject column, and in the object column they are denoted as me, you, her, and him. Similarly, in the plural form they are indicated as we, you, and they, and in the object form they are us, you, and them. To understand the personal pronoun, let us look into these sentences. In the first sentence it states, we went home. In this sentence, we, the personal pronoun, which is indicated in color and bold letter. Similarly, the other sentences provided in this slide are also highlighting the personal pronoun in red color. Hope you now understand what personal pronoun is. The second form of pronoun is possessive pronoun, which refers to show possession or ownership. To understand this form better, let us look at the table in the slide. There are 4 columns in the table. The first one is number, which explains singular or plural form. The second column, the person, which indicates first person, second person, and the third person in both singular and plural. In the third column, it denotes gender, and the last column, the possessive pronouns are indicated. For example, in the singular form, the possessive pronouns are mine and yours, which are used for both male and female. Similarly, in the plural form, the pronouns are ours, yours, which are again used for male and female. In other words, the possessive pronouns like mine, yours are used commonly in either case irrespective of gender. Hope you understand the possessive pronoun. Go through the examples of possessive pronoun in this slide, wherein possessive pronouns are highlighted in red color. I like your flowers. Do you like mine? In this sentence, the object is flowers. It means that, do you like my flowers? You can go through the sentences and understand it better. The third form of pronoun is a reflexive pronoun, which denotes self for singular form and selves for plural form. They are refer back to subject of the sentence. Singular reflexive pronouns are myself, yourself, himself, herself, etc. And in the plural form, they are ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. Once again, the statements in this slide indicates the reflexive pronouns in red color. For example, the first sentence, I saw myself in the mirror. You can see myself used as reflexive pronoun. Why do you blame yourself? It is a singular reflexive pronoun, yourself. And we already told in the singular form, we add self to the pronoun. Hamid sent himself a copy of the email. Himself is the reflexive pronoun. When you go down, we can see we blame ourselves for this lapse. We is a plural and ourselves is the plural reflexive pronoun is used. They cannot look after themselves. They is a plural word and themselves is the reflexive pronoun used. So children, go through these slides a couple of times and I am sure you will help it to understand the topic better. Lastly, I am giving a chart indicating pronouns of different forms which we discussed above. I am sure when you go through this chart, you will further understand better the different forms of pronoun that we discussed in this session. Children, go through all the tables and slides so you will be thorough with this topic. Wish you all the very best. Thank you, children.